Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You're starting by verifying compatibility and clearing the path. First, confirm your phone supports Kai or the specific wireless standard. This matters because incompatible phones won't charge. Next, plug the wireless pad into a stable outlet using the recommended adapter and cable so voltage and amperage match the charger's rating. Remove any thick case, metal, or magnetic plates. Once done, the phone can sit flush. Make sure the pad is on a flat surface and positioned where you can align the phone easily. You now align and initiate the charge deliberately. Hold the phone above the pad and find the coil area. Many pads have a center marker or LED to guide you. Phones too far off-center won't receive power. Place the phone gently down, making sure it rests flat and you don't slide it across the pad, which can displace the coil alignment. Once seated, check the phone's screen and the charger's LED for the charging indicator. If you see it, the transfer is in progress and you can let it sit. You're wrapping up and resolving issues that might appear. Leave the phone on the pad until the battery reaches your target. Phones often show estimated time or a percentage, and rapid tapping can interrupt alignment. If charging pauses, lift and realign the phone or remove the case. Small shifts frequently fix connection loss. If problems persist, swap the USB cable or adapter, try a different wireless pad, and reboot your phone. These steps isolate hardware from software.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.